Hello everyone. Let us evaluate this integral of e to the power x into sin x integral with respect to x. This is integrand which is product of two different functions. One is exponential function and second one is trigonometric function. So we have to apply here by parts method, and LIATE rule. L means logarithmic function, I means inverse trigonometric function, A means algebraic function, T means trigonometric function, and E means exponential function. We have to put the functions in integrand in this sequence. Here this is exponential function and this is trigonometric function. As per this rule, sin x must be at first position and e to the power x must be at second position in this integrand. So I is equal to, we can write integral, on first position we are taking sin x and on second position we are taking exponential function and its integral is with respect to x. But formula for integration by parts, integral of u is one function and v is another function, its integral with respect to x. This is equal to u into integral of v with respect to x minus integral of into bracket derivative of first function with respect to x into integral of second function with respect to x, bracket close, and then integral with respect to x. We are applying this by parts method formula here, considering u is sin x and v is e to the power x. Hence, first function sin x as it is into integral of second function e to the power x with respect to x minus integral of derivative of first function with respect to x into integral of second function with respect to x, bracket close, and then its integral with respect to x. So this is equal to sin x, and integral of e to the power x is e to the power x minus integral of derivative of sin x is cos x into integral of e to the power x is e to the power x integral with respect to x. And this is using formulae integral of e to the power x is equal to e to the power x and derivative of sin x with respect to x is equal to cos x. In this integral, cos x is trigonometric function, e to the power x is exponential function. Again we have to apply LIT rule to evaluate this integral. Then this can be written as I is equal to, take this as it is, sin x into e to the power x minus evaluation of this integral applying by parts method, cos x as it is integral of e to the power x with respect to x minus integral of derivative of cos x with respect to x into integral of e to the power x with respect to x integral with respect to x. Let us simplify this. Hence I is equal to first term e to the power x into sin x, keeping this term as it is, minus cos x also as it is, integral of e to the power x is e to the power x minus integral of derivative of cos x is minus sin x, integral of e to the power x is e to the power x integral with respect to x. Again simplify this. I is equal to e to the power x into sin x minus cos x into e to the power x can be written as e to the power x into cos x minus minus plus plus minus minus integral of sin x into e to the power x integral with respect to x. But this integral is given integral which we have assumed I. Hence, this can be written as I is equal to e to the power x into sin x minus e to the power x into cos x minus this integral is I. Taking this minus I on left hand side, that becomes I plus I, 2I is equal to e to the power x sin x minus e to the power x cos x. Taking this 2 on this side, hence I is equal to half into bracket, taking e to the power x also common, sin x minus cos x into e to the power x. This is indefinite integral, so we can add integral constant c. So add here plus c, so plus c and then plus integral constant c. This is value of given integral, which is final answer. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video.